Join me as I dive into the world of TSM stock and see if I can figure out if it's a solid investment or just a risky gamble. TSM, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is a giant in the tech industry. They produce semiconductors for many of the world's leading tech companies. This makes them a crucial player in the global supply chain for everything from smartphones to laptops. If you're into tech or even just own a few gadgets, chances are you've got something in your home that's powered by a TSM-made chip. The stock market can be super unpredictable, and TSM stock is no exception. With tech advancements happening at lightning speed, companies like TSM have to stay on their toes. One wrong move, and they could fall behind. Plus, there are global supply chain issues that can really throw a wrench in their operations. We've seen it happen before. A single factory in Taiwan gets hit with a natural disaster, and suddenly, the whole world feels the ripple effects. Competition in the semiconductor space is also heating up. Companies in the US, China, and South Korea are all vying for dominance, making it tough for TSM to keep its market share. And let's not forget about the trade tensions that can impact TSM's business. It's a lot to navigate, and as an investor, you've got to consider all these factors. The past few years have been a roller coaster for TSM stock. There have been some huge highs, but also some pretty steep lows. If you're thinking of investing, you've got to be aware of these patterns. Look, no one can predict the market with certainty, but understanding these trends can give you a better shot at making informed decisions. TSM's financial health is pretty strong, with solid earnings reports over the years. They've been investing heavily in new technology, which could give them an edge in the market. Their recent earnings report showed significant revenue growth, which is a good sign for investors. However, some analysts are worried about the rising costs of expanding their manufacturing capabilities. The company's market position is also worth noting. They've got a reputation for producing high-quality chips, and that's helped them secure long-term contracts with major tech firms. Their ability to adapt to changing industry trends has been impressive, and that's something that could drive growth in the future. For example, they're already working on developing 5G technology, which could be a major growth area. But what about the future? TSM is making big bets on tech like 5G and artificial intelligence. These areas are super hot right now, and if TSM can stay ahead of the curve, they might just see some explosive growth. Their R&D budget is substantial, and they're committed to innovation. The thing is, though, investing always comes with risks. TSM's got some major competitors nipping at their heels, and global economic shifts can impact their business. You've got to weigh these risks against the potential rewards. As with any investment, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different sectors can help mitigate some of that risk. So, what's the verdict on TSM stock? Well, it's not a simple yes or no. Analysts have mixed views, with some saying it's a buy and others advising caution. Market forecasts are also all over the place. If you're considering investing, it's essential to do your own research and maybe even consult with a financial advisor. To sum it up, TSM stock offers both potential rewards and risks. Their strong market position and commitment to innovation are positives, but you've got to be aware of the challenges they face. Keeping an eye on their financials and market trends will be crucial if you're thinking of investing. What do you guys think about TSM stock? Have you invested in it, or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in getting deeper insights into stock investments, check out my next video where we explore more tips and tricks for navigating the market.